Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make a floating UFO for your iClone 8 3D animation software and just make it have the animations of the floating, and at the same time it will become your props. You can repeatedly use it for every time when you want to use it, and you can design any of the UFO with any shape. And I'm going to show you the modeling process, the animation process, and the final process. Just make it as a iClone prop. Let's go. First, just open the Blender. This is Blender 4.43, and at here we are going to create any 3D model that we want. And for today, this is UFO. I'm going to just press A and press delete to delete everything. Then, as there are more, I'm going to just create a really simple UFO. So first, I'm going to just create a circle. This circle is already get selected. I'm going to go to edit mode at here. Just press A to select all and right click, new edge face from vertices at here. So this is the one that I want to select the face at here, and just press E to extrude it out. Just want to have this plate. Then just back to the object mode. At here we are going to add a UV sphere. So I just press S to just make it smaller at here. Next, I'm going to just go to the edit mode and just press A to select all of the faces and scale it. Alright, so now you can see you have the shape of the UFO. At here, next I'm going to just remove this part. So I click -Y and just click here, so that I just want to select the vertex, and just click here and select the bottom part. Just press delete and just delete the vertices. Then just turn here on, click here, select one of the edge, then hold the control to just fully select all of the bottom edges. Right click, new face from edges now. So I just press E to extrude some more, and just press E again, just press S. Alright, so now I just want to just make it simple, the UFO. And next, back to the object mode here, I click this as the plate of the UFO. Go to the edit mode, click here. I'm going to just select some of the faces and see. Alright, then at here, just press Shift E, Control Z, Alt E, extrude individual faces. Alright, then I go to material, just turn the material on. First, I'm going to just create a new material and wait for a while. Once you add a new material, it may just need to have a few seconds not responding to load the material and render it. Done. Now you have one material, and just add one more. Just add a new one. I change the color to maybe the red color. Then I click assign. So here, done this part. Then I back to the object mode. I select here this part. I'm going to just make it blue. I go to the edit mode. Material, just add a new one. The first one is the white, and just add one more new to make it blue. For the blue part, I'm going to just make this blue assign. Done. So here, I'm going to just make some here. Control. I hold the control. To just select this part. Then blue color assign. Done. This part I want to make it blue as well. Select the blue, assign. So now you can see the shape. Done. So now once I already done this part, I want to combine two model. So back to the object mode. Just press Ctrl A. I just press A to select all and press Ctrl A, all transform, and all already at the center. Then just press Ctrl J. It already combined to become just one single mesh UFO 01. Alright, now at here, we already done the model. Click. Next, we are going to just create some animations. So to create the animations, we need to go to here. Then select like this. The first is at the beginning. I'm going to just make it above the ground like this. Maybe about 2 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters above the ground. Alright, 2.5 meter. Something like this. And just make it bigger. 3 meter. Just make it bigger again. Now, this is a UFO with about 4 meters above the ground. Then I just press A, then just click or transform. The pivot point will appear right here. So next, I'm going to make the animations. Just the location, make the first keyframe. Then after 10 seconds, here, 10 frame, not 10 seconds. Here, I'm going to just make it up at 30. Just make it up. Make a keyframe. Then, here, select 60. Just make one more. One more keyframe. Then, here, I'm going to just duplicate these two. Just Ctrl C, and I go to 90. And here, Ctrl V. So now I play. Wait. These two, I just deleted first. Try to play. Alright. This will be enough. Just 2 keyframe. And now we can export it. We can export it here. So I click File, Export FBX on the desktop. Here. Name this as UFO 01. Export it as FBX. Now it already become an FBX file here. Next, go to the iClone. What you need to do is just drag in the FBX at here. Just keep the original, just convert all. Now you should be able to see the UFO, this big UFO at here. Now you try to play. You can see this is a floating UFO. And we can just increase the animation, just duplicate it at this side. Just see the animation clip, this one. Just view it fit to window. And we can just make it loop up to here. So now try to play again, just start from beginning. You can see this UFO, it is floating, and of course we can just make it smooth at here. First, to make it smooth, you can see it here, start here, it should back to the, here at 90, it should back to the origin at here 0, so that everything will get balanced. So we are going to export it again. Click File, Export, FBX, again, and here, Export. So now, this one we delete it to make sure that for every loop it can back to the origin. Just drag and drop again and import it, keep original, repeat the same way, select the timeline, and now we try again. Play. For this time, it should become really smooth. You can see. This is a floating UFO in iClone. So actually, I already make it as a prop. To just save it, we can just go to the prop at here. Props, custom, props, just save it. Save it as FBX with the animation, save UFO 01. Okay, now save it. So later, for any time, if you want to use it, just drag in, just to make it small. Then you can have a few UFO together. Alright, now it is already done. And that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make a floating UFO for your iClone 8 3D animation software just by using the Blender as a modeling tool, and finally you make your own UFO. And this is just a very simple 3D model. It is not something that complicated. You can make it anytime, just use the really simple geometries in Blender. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.